Course AI is revolutionizing the way we learn by harnessing the power of AI technology. With Course AI, you can say goodbye to traditional textbooks and boring lectures. So how does Course AI work? It starts by analyzing your learning preferences and goals. Then, it creates a personalized learning path just for you. This means that every lesson, exercise, and quiz is tailored to your unique needs. Using advanced algorithms, Course AI constantly adapts to your progress. If you're struggling with a concept, Course AI will provide additional resources and explanations to help you understand. And if you're already excelling, Course AI will challenge you with more advanced material. But Course AI doesn't stop there. It uses AI to make learning truly interactive. Through chatbots and virtual assistants, you can ask questions, get instant feedback, and engage in realistic simulations. And the best part? Course AI is available anytime, anywhere. Whether you're on a smartphone, tablet, or computer, you can access your personalized learning experience with just a few clicks. So why wait? Join the learning revolution with Course AI and unlock your full potential. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting updates.